Hi, I'm David Quell, General Manager for Particle Measuring Systems Brazil Operations. During this crazy time where travel and access to buildings is limited, we have had to be creative to ensure we are successful in meeting our customers' urgent needs. A recent example of this was where the validation and training of a customer's mini-cap air samplers and Facility Pro facility monitoring system had to happen. Normally this needs to be done on site, but the current situation made that impossible. In this case, we were able to work with the customers using tools such as webcams and Microsoft Teams to complete the work remotely. Our main customer contact also worked remotely and did almost all his entire part from the comfort and safety of his home. Even better for our main contact at the customer, he's credited internally with successfully driving completion of this project and is now seen as a high performer within his company. Particle Measuring Systems has performed in the same way for other customers and has the capability of following the same procedures to complete remote validations and trainings around the world. Please reach out to your local PMS office for more details and let us help you to be successful as well.